Welcome to how to create a course using Moodle video tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to demonstrate how to create a Moodle course and how to use Moodle activities and resources for creating content in the Moodle course. So what is Moodle course? A Moodle course is a learning program for students with electronic content such as text, PDF, audio and video, which upload into a Moodle learning management system. Who can create Moodle course? Moodle administrators can create courses and course content, and also Moodle teachers who has been granted permission to create content can add content on a particular course or courses. So how to create a course? Firstly, a Moodle administrator need to log to a Moodle site and create a course. Here I am going to log to this learning site as administrator. Then click on site home. Then select all courses. Next, click add new course. Then using add new course form, we can provide all information about the course which we are going to create. I have sketched a sample course related to business funding which can be used to create this tutorial. This is the course content. It has an introduction and 3 lessons. Right? Lesson 1, 2 and 3. And these lessons included videos, PDF and some text. Now give a name and short name for this course. So I will give business funding as the name of the course as well as the short name of the course. Next, we can set course starting date and end date by changing these properties. Right? Right. We can give a summary for the course and it will be displayed for learners at the site home. And also here we can give image for the course. I give this message as the summary and I will upload the image. Upload an image as an image for the course, and we can change course delivery method by changing this format. I will select topics format, and also there are a couple of other delivery methods. I select topic format, and we can change other course settings as we need by changing these properties. Finally, click on save and display to save the course settings. Next, I am going to select participant for the course. Select enroll and then select participant for the course. From available participant, we can see available participant. So I will select 2 of them as participant for this our course. Click on enroll users to save setting, and these are the participants for our course. As the admin user, I can assign a teacher for this course, and this assigned teacher or admin can create content for this course. So I assign user Kamal as the teacher of this course. To that, click on this pencil icon and select teacher. Remove student and save. So Kamal Palta is the teacher for this course. As the admin, I can add content by clicking proceed to course content button. But now I am going to log as Kamal Palita and add content to this course. I logged off. Next, I log again as Kamal. Kamal is the teacher of this course, right? Kamal Palita. After logging as Kamal, the assigned teacher of this course, business funding, then I am clicking on business funding in the course overview page to open the course. It is in the future section because this will start in the future. I click on business funding course, and now we can see items announcement topic 1 to 4 which can be used for creating content for our course. So I am going to change topic 1 as introduction, topic 2 as equity, and topic 3 as debt, and topic 4 as hybrid according to our content document. Actually, announcement is a discussion forum, can be used to interact participants. To edit this page and create content, click on gear menu and select turn edit on from the drop down list. Next, click on the pencil icon in front of the topic 1 to rename the topic name as introduction. Right. And to save, press enter. Next, I am going to add the description for the introduction. For that, click on add an activity or resource link and select label from the resource section or resource category. Click on add. Next, I will select this text again and paste it on label text box. So this is the description for introduction. Save and return to course. Click on save and return to course to save the introduction description. Next, rename the topic 2 as lesson topic 1 equity. Next, I want to add this video and PDF document to our lesson 1 equity content area. For that, I am going to add another label. Click on add an activity or resource link and select label and add. So first I want to add this video. So its URL is available, equity video. So I add the video for this place. For that, click on video icon, media icon. Now paste the URL of the video in the video URL text box. Then click insert media. Then we can see video icon. So when we displaying this content, it will run as a video. So next I am going to add a link for URL, equity reading URL, equity reading. Here we use this link icon to upload the PDF to our learning site or Moodle course. The URL of the PDF is copied here. Now create link. Click on create link. Finally, click on the button save and return to course to save our video and PDF file. Right here we can see the video.
In the business.
Next, let me allow to demonstrate how to add quiz to a Moodle course. For that, click on add an activity or resource link, then select quiz and click on add. Then name it as equity knowledge check quiz and give a description for the quiz. So likewise we can add simple text. We can set timing, open the quiz and close the quiz, and time limit. And also we can set grade. So what is the minimum passing grade for quiz? 20 marks. We can change layout of our questions. So I'll select one page for each question, and also there are so many properties to set for quiz, so I am not going to go through this. Or to save the quiz, I click on save and display. So next I am going to add question for our quiz. For that, click on edit quiz and then click on add and select new question. Now we can select type for our question from variety of available question types. So I am going to select first one, multiple choice, and select add. Then first give a name for the question. Next we have to give question in this question text box. I copy the question number 1 under the equity section, and default marks 1. I am not going to change it. We can give a feedback for the question, or we can select the answer type for our question. I am going to select one answer only, then number the choice. So I select capital ABC. Give answers and grades. If the answer is correct, the grade is 100%, and wrong, grade is none. First answer is 73%, so answer is wrong, grade is none. Then we can give a feedback. Choice 2, second answer is 61. It is correct. It is the correct answer for our question. So I'll select 100% as the grade. Then choice 3, 47%. And answer is wrong. So I'll not change the grade. So, and last choice is 39%. It also invalid. So I'm not going to change grade. Then save changes. Right. Here this is our first question in this quiz. So we can preview it by click on this. So this is how our questions are showing. So this is the first question. Each question has a page. To add second quiz, click on add, select a new question and select again multiple choice as the question type and add. Name is equity question 2. I copied second question. So I do the changes for question 2 as I did for the question 1. Right. So finally click on save changes to save the question 2. So there are 2 questions available in our quiz. Next do the same steps to add next 3 questions under equity knowledge check quiz. This is the completed equity knowledge check quiz. It has 5 questions and will display them one by one in single pages. So next we require to add one more activity under equity lesson topic, that is equity topic discussion with colleague and education. For that click on lesson topic 1, then click on add an activity or resource link, then select forum and click on add the forum to our page. It requires to give a name and description for the forum, so I will give name as equity topic discussion with colleague and educator. And give the description. And finally click on save and display saved forum. So I have done the required content creation for equity lesson topic in the business funding course. To complete the rest of topics in the business funding course, repeat the step have been done for lesson topic 1 equity. Finally, this is the completed business funding Moodle course. So this includes introduction and 3 other lesson topics, that is equity, debt and hybrid. Each lesson topic consists OV video, PDF reading and knowledge check quiz. Lastly, topic discussion forum to interact learners and teachers. Still we are in editing mode. To turn off editing mode, go to the gear menu, click on gear menu and select turn editing off. So this is the interface when learner log into the Moodle learning Moodle site and opening his course. So I would like to go through one lesson topic. So if I click on hybrid overview video, right, so we can see it is running, and also we can access PDF reading material. So this is the PDF material, so learners can read. Learners can access hybrid knowledge check quiz by click on link. If we click preview, this is the third question of all 5 questions. So we can move by clicking next page button. So there are 5 questions. Learner can provide answers by clicking this icon, these check boxes. Finally, learners can join to hybrid topic discussion forum by clicking this hybrid topic discussion with colleague educator. So learners can post a new topic or join into existing topic by providing a reply or by posting a reply. Right, learner can provide anything. Okay. So still I am logging as a teacher, so the replies are posted with Kamal Palita, the teacher of this course. That's it, how to create the course using Moodle video tutorial. Thank you for joining.